Good afternoon, Steve from All Star Case Breaks doing a box of 14 draft jumbo for Aaron. Good luck, man. He's asking for a Schwarber. I would love to hit you one, preferably with ink on it and lots of color. All right, good luck, Aaron. Mac Williamson, 37 of 399. CJ Edwards, 390 of 399. Severino Chrome. Castellani and Dominic Smith refractors. There's your Chris Bryant Chrome. Nick Wells, Nick Williams. There's an Edwards Ice. Connor Joe, Braden Shipley refractors. Aaron Judge, Chrome. Is it Scouts Breakouts? There's your Schwarber refractor, Chrome refractor. And you're not going to do it with the kind of personnel that he has in San Francisco. So you have to go at it with the purpose of building and getting the right people and building it slowly. First auto, Grant Hawken. Put up with that, we'll see. Only time will tell. Shanahan is going from what would charitably called the disaster of the Super Bowl to becoming a head coach. Geddes and Nemo refractors. So that's number one. If he's calling the plays, I think for a rookie head coach, that's a mistake. Severino, future of the franchise. Shipley, Weaver, and Sano, Chrome. Weaver and Sano refractors. Going all the way back to Chuck Noll prior to that Pittsburgh party, up to today. 4 minutes you practice it every Friday. Casino. Connor Joe. When you have the lead, you're going to bleed it. You're concerned about the opposition's timeouts. You want to make them use their timeouts. And there's a Schwarber Chrome. If you're in field goal range, and that phenomenal throw by Matt and that incredible catch by Julio. Newcomb and Reed. For a guy who is 100% from that range during the season. You want the 3 points. Alex Jackson. Fry and Glasnow.
Stratton, Morgan, Mazar, and Pentecost Chrome. Keller and Jacoby Jones Refractors.
The challenge obviously is this. Maybe you look at the coaching staff they put together. Robert Sala is a first-time defensive coordinator. Bill, I would ask you this question. Now you're going from a 34 defense, which they've run for over a decade. Now they're going to a 43 with Duck Valley style of defense. It's a challenge, right? Well,
Farga and Severino Refractors.
Two high draft choices from Oregon. One of whom I think would be the 5 technique, and the other would.
Vincent Velasquez. And the third autograph, man, it's a Cub autograph, but not the right one. Carson Sands Refractor.
So they're going to have to find out which players fit and which players don't, and they're going to have to get the people that
Well, we found the Cub, but not the right Cub. Morgan and Almonte. Another Cubby, Jake Stinnett Red, 127 of 150. Austin and Hawkins Refractors. Ryan Anderson. And Solstice and Guerrero Refractors. Well, thanks, Aaron. We got 2 Schwarbers, but not anything with ink on them. So, thanks a lot. I will ship them today. Let me know if you want any other boxes.